15 years back, a young chap like you started bookkeeping for small businesses for $15 per hour, and it required him $0 to start because free software. Now he sits at $70 per hour while doing his job.
I was searching for a second income myself that I can control on the side.
Most people look for that and then get stuck with the same popular ideas: dropshipping, crypto flipping, or 100K follower schemes.
So what actually works in the real world?
The ones for which there are no courses to sell, no gurus, just skills, demand, time, and money. You see, $1,242 a month is a record average side hustlers are earning right now. Not passion or purpose, just some more money. And 40% wouldn't even quit with a 20% raise. Now it's not a side hustle anymore. It's a second earning. Stay with me, I'll reveal it to you. But first, let me show you how the side hustle market looks right now. A median side hustler makes around $200 a month, and the top 10% make around $3,000 plus. Same hours, same effort, just different hustle. The gap isn't discipline, it is which doors you knew about. Most will chase the loud ones, designed to sound passive, all requiring either capital, audience, or luck. The ones that actually pay are the ones solving a problem every small business owner has and can't afford to hire full-time staff to fix it.
Which ones?
Those on which nobody's making videos about. Real demand, real money. These 5, all low cost, all paying above average salary within 90 days if you work them correctly. 62% of small business owners pay someone to do bookkeeping because it takes their extra time. And the best part, you don't need another degree to do it for them. Just a free course and your first client. Second is the current favorite among business owners. 87% of small business owners want AI. Almost none know how to use it for their specific business. If you use ChatGPT or Claude regularly, you know more than your first client already. Third never disappears. Every mortgage, every property sale, every refinance requires a notary witness. 1 appointment, 2 hours, $200, simple and everlasting. Fourth is the fastest growing side hustle in right now: mobile car detailing. You go to them. $150 minimum per car, 3 cars a Saturday, $450 in one morning before lunch for giving your customers just convenience. Fifth is the forgotten one. Every suburban homeowner with a sprinkler system needs it. $200 per visit, twice a year. Let's say 50 clients, that's $20,000 for just 2 weekends. Almost nobody is doing this. But I know what you're thinking. Which one to choose as per your convenience over your customers. And that's exactly how people get stuck and then stop doing it. The question isn't which one sounds best on a Saturday morning. The question is which one pays your rent by Saturday night. That's what separates the 10% earning $3,000 a month from the 90% earning $200. It's not the hustle they chose, it's what they did in the first 7 days. The execution matters more than the ideation. Step 1 is pick one, not all 5. Starting 2 at once is how both fail. The discipline to focus on one for 90 days is the entire difference between $200 a month and $3,000 a month. Step 2 is target 1 customer and not 10. Just tell 10 people what you offer. Message or meet small businesses, 1 client in 7 to 14 days. That is the entire plan. Step 3 is to find the minimum that the market pays and target $1,000 a month. That's the 90-day target. Not financial freedom, not passive income, just $1,000 extra that your 9 to 5 was never going to give you. From there, you decide what it becomes. So what did you understand till now?
That the perfect idea will wait, but to start is the most important thing.
Everyone only waits. That's why most people never start. The market doesn't pay for potential. It only pays for delivery. 1 hustle, 1 client, 1 week. You've been sitting on the wrong side of this conversation long enough. The door was never locked. You just never tried the handle. Dollar doesn't have a 9 to 5, but I've been in the wallet of every person who stayed in one long after they should have left. The ones who left started with exactly what you have right now. Just one decision made differently.
Subscribe to Money Cartel. Not because I asked, because it finally made sense.